accomplished everything that we wanted to, but we accomplished the things we needed to.
Early morning committees, late night sessions, it's all come to an end in Santa Fe. The 60-day legislative session is over. Democrats and Republicans could not agree on much in the last 60 days, but they could agree the session was a rough one. Hello, everyone. It was the first legislative session for Governor Susana Martinez, the most powerful person in state government, a Republican. Certainly did not have it easy with the democratically controlled House and Senate. Martinez was able to fulfill some of her campaign promises, though, but it wasn't without a fight. News 13's Katie Kim has more on what was passed and what was passed up.
Number one on Governor Martinez's agenda was to balance a budget. Early on, she forecasted the deficit to be upwards of $400 million, but she vowed to do it without raising taxes and while protecting classroom funding.
We are going to continue to review that budget line item by line item to see where else we can find permanent savings. It is our commitment to have a balanced budget. Otherwise, we cannot grow our economy.
Securing a spending plan was no easy task. Legislators say for the third straight year, they had to do more with less.
We tried to spread the pain equally across the board. We believe we did a job where we treated everybody as fair as we know how.
Lawmakers minimized the cuts to public education and health care, two of Governor Martinez's promises. But the film industry took a hit. Martinez didn't get the incentive reduction she wanted, but she did manage to set a $50 million cap, saving an estimated $23 million for schools, public safety, and health care.
Still working on the first.
Other victories for the new governor include checking off one education reform off her agenda that would assign schools a letter grade. The legislature also passed the expansion of Katie's Law to require DNA samples from all arrested felons.
Application of this law will ultimately prevent more crimes by giving law enforcement more tools to remove felons from our streets.
But it wasn't all good news for the governor. The Senate killed a measure that would allow third graders to move up a grade if they can't read. The bill overwhelmingly passed in the House, but was not even heard in the Senate.
We have a dangerous governor.
And undoubtedly the most heated debate this session surrounded Martinez's initiative to stop giving driver's licenses to illegal immigrants. The politically divisive issue ate up hours of debate time in both chambers.
That amendment is not adopted.
And at the 11th hour, a group of lawmakers met in conference committee to reach a compromise. But time ran out this morning, leaving the status quo in place for now. State Representative Andy Nunez has a prediction.
It'll come back.
Governor Martinez said she may reintroduce the issue this September when the legislature meets for a special session on redistricting. People on both sides of the license issue agree this is just the tip of the iceberg. Reporting from the Roundhouse, Katie Kim, KRQE News 13.
Now, some lawmakers have described this legislative session as the slowest they've seen in a long time, largely because of a lack of money. Lawmakers could not agree on a package of $240 million worth of capital improvements. The Senate decided not to act on the capital outlay bill. One Democratic senator said the package contained money to finance the personal pet projects of House members. The battleground is cooling off now with